Stop buying toilet brushes that trade one mess for another. OXO is the compact, capable default. Choose Simplehuman when a tight, visible bathroom deserves a slimmer upgrade. Choose by scrubbing, upkeep, footprint, and budget. For most homes, get the OXO Good Grips Compact Toilet Brush and Canister. Its two texture bristles scrub effectively, while the stable holder conceals the head without claiming much floor space. The replaceable head also gives the handle a longer useful life. But the hinged caddy and internal pieces need occasional detailed cleaning. Shake off excess water before storing the brush. Skip it if you need an ultra-slim profile or want a basic caddy that's quicker to wipe. For a cramped, visible bathroom, choose the Simplehuman Toilet Brush. Its narrow, open-backed holder saves floor space, while the metal shaft gives the setup a sturdier feel. Circular bristles reach upward beneath the rim, where a traditional head can feel clumsy. You will pay more, and the brushing angle takes some adjustment. The magnetic holder can also resist a straight pull. Skip it if guests need instantly familiar handling or you're keeping costs low. Quick split. OXO suits most homes with capable scrubbing, compact storage, and sensible value. Simplehuman earns the upgrade when floor space, durability, and underrim access matter more than price. Before buying, measure the toilet-to-wall gap, check caddy access, and decide whether concealed storage or easier wipe-downs matter more. Start with the OXO because it balances scrubbing, compact storage, and value without overcomplicating the setup. Switch to Simplehuman when the gap is tight and appearance matters enough to justify the premium. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.